Tree Removal Kallangur. Caboolture Tree Removals offers complete tree service Scarborough residents can depend on for safe and efficient care of their outdoor spaces. Specializing in tree trimming Scarborough solutions, we remove hazardous or dead branches to encourage healthier growth and maintain the appearance of trees. Our experienced team handles tree removal Scarborough projects, whether due to storm damage, disease, or safety risks, using advanced equipment to minimize disruption. Skilled arborists Scarborough-wide ensure every service meets high industry standards, focusing on both the health of the landscape and the safety of nearby structures. From small residential gardens to larger commercial properties, we deliver expert solutions tailored to every tree care need.